Okay. What are you doing, you freaking...
I'm dancing on the bread!
Get the other one. It's flat.
This one has a hole in it, too.
No, kick it. Kick it around. It's hillbilly bread. For...
I'm getting almost at it.
Nice underwear, Keely.
Tasting my underwear.
No, I didn't. You can see the whole deck go down when you do that. That's so gross. Lucky you get to pick all this shit up, Keely.
I know.
Oh my goodness, I know what you should do. We'll go out in the yard. Keely, Rose, freaking, I missed that.
Will you help me take all this out?
Go, no, you know. You're so gross.
You just say my freaking name, I'm gonna kill you!
No, I didn't say your name.
Okay, what?
Get the whipped cream and we'll go out in the yard and you can stomp on it.
And what am I supposed to do with all this bread?
We'll pick it up and throw it behind the shed.
Okay. Should I dance on the carrots too?
I don't even know if my mom's home yet. And if she, we have to hurry pick up this crap.
First. Pizza, pause it real quick.
I can't pause it. This is my friend. She had a Red Bull and she's just.
I want to get in there and get wet.
That's what she said. Dude, this bottle is making my pants fall down. Are you having fun? Nice job. You broke my brother's toy. She's pole dancing now, guys. Was that fun, Keely? Dude, we need to pick up the bread before my mother gets home. You're stupid, man. That's her dick, guys. Keely, come here. No, come here. It's so recording.
No, fine.
Or use this one.
That's so black,
That's the neighbor's house while Keely's doing her business. Look at all that bread. Look at that mess she made. She gets to clean it up, guys. Isn't that amazing?
Help me.
Keely has a boner, guys. And stand sideways. Come here. Stand sideways.
I'm taking it.
No, you have to, Keely. You have to stick it straight up. She smushed it. Ew, gross. Look at all that white stuff. That's all Keely's cum, guys. All Keely's cum. See that? See, look. See, look at that. Look at that.
Okay, turn it off now.
Look at my pants, man.